Hey everybody, this is just going to be a quick little discussion on why I like to use the modules feature on Canvas to organize my course content and then to share that course content with my students. This is something that I do in a variety of learning contexts. If it were a face-to-face only class, I would use this method. If it were a hybrid class where part of it was face-to-face, part of it was online, I would use this strategy. And for online only classes, I would use this strategy. I think it works across the board. So just taking a look at how I have module 4 for this course set up, I like that with all of the assignments that are going to happen throughout the module's view here allows my students to see how those assignments and how those activities fit within the larger context of the module itself. So getting into the beginning of the module, I have an overview for them that kind of maps out what the big picture is going to look like, how the module aligns with the course's learning outcomes, the materials that they will need to have in order to work their way through the module, the various kinds of activities and assignments we'll be doing through the module, as well as the amount of time that we're going to be spending on the module. I think that that overview is very useful in just kind of helping students get a sense of what we're going to be doing for this amount of time in this module. Okay, and then beyond that, I have a variety of other informational pages, and then discussion types of assignments, quiz types of assignments, kind of like your traditional, like write a journal reflection, or write a kind of paper or an essay or something like that. All those different kinds of assignments. But again, in the module organization, all of those assignments are situated within the context of all of the support materials. I also like to name each page, each assignment, each discussion according to a numerical convention that reinforces that that kind of a workflow of the module. So that's why you're seeing 4.0 module overview, 4.1 practicing evaluation, 4.3 labor and mindfulness journal number 5, and so on. That naming convention, in my view, just kind of helps reinforce and remind us like where this assignment or where this information fits within the broader picture. Finally, another nifty thing about organizing content in modules is that you could literally start on the first item of the module, work your way through it, and then there's navigation buttons at the bottom of every page that's associated in the module. So as my students work their way through those 2 informational pages, now they're ready to put that information to practice in this, for example, a discussion activity. So they could go through and record their response. Once they've done that, click next, and then they'll be taken to the next part of the module. So I really do think that organizing and sharing course content in modules in this way can really help students see how the module is organized, the order in which they should be working through the materials, and all that sort of thing. I also like to remind my students, though, that if they are primarily concerned with making sure that they're doing their assignments and that they're turning them in on time, they can also check under the syllabus navigation link on Canvas and then check out the course summary. This is a list of all of the assignments in the course sorted by due date and assignment name. which, by the way, is another reason why I'm mindful about naming all of my assignments with this numerical convention. Because again, it kind of helps keep things in the order in which I want my students to do the work. All right, so there is that. A couple of reasons to consider using modules to organize and share your course content. Hope this helps. Take care, be safe, peace.